Hello, welcome back to our AI journey. Today, we're going to dive into the captivating history and evolution of artificial intelligence. Let's explore how this remarkable field has grown over the years. Artificial intelligence, or AI, might seem like a recent innovation, but its roots actually stretch back decades. The journey begins with pioneers and visionaries who dared to dream of machines that could mimic human intelligence. In the mid-20th century, the idea of AI started taking shape. Early computing devices paved the way for thinking about how machines could perform tasks that required human-like thinking. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, played a pivotal role in shaping the concept of AI. His groundbreaking work on the Turing test in the 1950s laid the foundation for assessing machine intelligence by gauging their ability to imitate human conversation. Fast forward to the summer of 1956, the Dartmouth Workshop marked a significant moment in AI history. It brought together brilliant minds, including John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence. The workshop marked the birth of AI as a field of study. Throughout the 50s and 60s, researchers developed early AI programs that could solve mathematical problems and even play simple games. Robots, albeit primitive by today's standards, started making appearances, capturing public imagination. However, the path to AI wasn't without challenges. The field experienced what's known as the AI winter during the 70s and 80s. Enthusiasm waned as early promises didn't match reality, leading to decreased funding and interest. But AI proved resilient. The 90s saw a resurgence of interest as new algorithms and techniques emerged. Expert systems, machine learning, and neural networks gained attention and started showing promising results. Today, AI is booming like never before. Breakthroughs in deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision have led to practical applications that touch nearly every aspect of our lives, like virtual assistants and self-driving cars. And that brings us to the present day, where AI continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, with new discoveries and innovations around every corner. If you found this journey through AI history fascinating, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our future insights into the world of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and evolution of AI. Stay tuned for more exciting insights as we explore the world of artificial intelligence together.